Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Beauty Style Mama. Today I am going to share my Eid or a special occasion this kind of look, how I created this look. So keep watching my video. Actually I done my one eye for save the time, and I am now going to do my this eye. Excuse me for the noise and sound. So I just make up my eye and mute the noise because there is some construction in my building, so excuse me for that. And by the way, I already put my eye primer or concealer, what you prefer the most, so you can prefer. Here I am using my Violet Voss palette, and it's my favorite palette. Is Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. And now I am going to my second eye. I done my overall look, and I already done my eyebrows with the lip pencil, just a little touch up with my favorite Chella pencil. Now I am going to use a lip product, and for this purpose I have two choices. I have this Ofra Miami Fever, and I have Too Faced melted matte lipstick. And because my makeup is like that, so I am going to go with Ofra lipstick. And before that I used to use this spray. It's from Essence Studio. And it's very hydrating, and you can see the glow on my face. And now I am going to use I will directly go with my lipstick. This is my favorite look, and I create this look for my Eid. And my dress is like green and pink, so maybe I will go with the green, and I will share my pictures on Instagram, the makeup look. But up till now I just decided to make up like this on my Eid occasion. And you can create this look for any occasion. It's not the Eid. You can create this look for the Christmas, for the parties, for wedding. What is a special occasion for you, this makeup is for you. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give thumbs up, and please share your thoughts about this makeup in the comment section if you know about some kind of product, because I am not going to mention any products, because this video is not sponsored at all the products which I'm using in this video, it's all mine, and it's my favorite. So I just sharing my thoughts about it. And don't forget to click the bell button so you will get notified. And one thing more which I want to share on Eid, where is that? I am going to put these fake nails. It's a press on nails. Usually I'm not doing my nails because of some reasons, so I use these nails. It's from Ardeen. Ardeen is a clothing brand, but they put some kind of makeup and nail thing, and I have these kind of different. I have 3 this kind of press on nails, and these are really amazing. So keep watching till my next video. Bye.